I had been testing some red velvet cake recipes this week and it got me wondering, what makes red velvet cake red? The obvious answer is food coloring, right? Or is it? Well, wait, it's some kind of chemistry for sure. But what exactly is the story behind it and why does it still have that name? Well, let's delve into the world of edible chemistry and find out. To understand what makes red velvet cake red, we need to step into the Victorian era. It is in this era that bakers started using cocoa powder in their bakes. Since all-purpose flour were not as smooth as the ones available to us today, the cocoa powder helps break down the coarse texture of the flour, resulting in a softer, smooth texture. Also bear in mind, at that time cocoa came with an expensive price tag, so it was only affordable by the wealthy, and hence it became a luxury ingredient and people started associating desserts made using cocoa powder to be velvety. So the name velvet was used because the cake's soft, smooth texture felt like velvet against your tongue. You might think that name for these cakes sound a little weird, but when you think about it, isn't velvet an accurate way to describe how soft and smooth the texture of these cakes are? Now for the chemistry part. Cocoa powder has a flavonoid anthocyanin present in it. The red color that you see in many foods from strawberries to tomatoes is all anthocyanin, and similarly the blue colored flowers and fruits are also due to this particular flavonoid. The chemical structure of anthocyanin is sensitive to acids and bases. In acidic condition, anthocyanin appears as red but turns blue when the pH increases. In this case, which is in red velvet cakes, the contact between the cocoa powder and vinegar and buttermilk, everything is acid, right? So it results in a dark red color. Remember, in acidic conditions, anthocyanin appears as red. Although the resulting cake is more of a ruddy brown color, like earthy brownish red, and not the vibrant red hue available in modern days now. The modern day red velvet cake was popularized by food coloring manufacturers to promote their food coloring products. So the natural reaction between cocoa powder and buttermilk present in the cake batter, along with the addition of red food color, is what makes the modern day red velvet cake red. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more such interesting baking recipes and knowledge and science. See you in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye bye.